4 of the hollow places of Enoch. 3 dark, 1 lit, with a fountain right in the center. It said before one of the dreams I had, especially going to the part of Enoch where he's taken to the room by different angels, shown the chambers of heaven, and the rooms were like crystallized and almost like the universe and stars. So it was almost like he was in a room with cubic walls, and the house was moving in multi-dimensional colors of space. Time didn't exist, and jewels, different gemstones, everything, fire and ice, hot as fire, cold as ice. And I've seen a fountain just like how it describes within the 4 hollow places right in the center. 3 dark and 1 lit. And the dream I had was multi-dimensional colors, like I was in the universe, space. Jasper, gemstones, crystallized. It's like basically being in a home. Fire on the outside, it's cold as ice on the inside. Fire and ice. And probably why I say, because the resonating of the colors come through my spirit, and they resonate with me the most. Fire and ice. And the walls, everything was like cubits, but it was like in multi-dimensional colors, just how it describes in Enoch, and stars going across like the universe, through the universe in space. And water especially, and seeing the fountain right by the 1 lit place right in the center, the 3 dark and the 1 lit. I've had similar dreams, no different, and visions. Seeing this is like totally different than what the human mind can even perceive of beauty. Doesn't even take hold or describe this. Fireness.